YouTube is forcing me to update. We're gonna bypass it. Today, after I open YouTube, the update suddenly appeared and it doesn't go away. I checked the review first and decided not to update it. Look at the ratings here. Oh man, what a star. Let us check the other ratings. Well, you can see most of them are 5 stars, but most of it are 1 to 2 words. It's weird, right? It's like bot giving the rating. It's like a fake rating, well, but I don't know. Okay, here, so I open the YouTube app from the browser. You will see that it's forcing me to update. Even from the Play Store, it's forcing me to update. It's loading bud, so let's go back. Reload. And again, you could see nothing but just the update button. So I tried this. Open the settings, then go to the apps. Scroll to your YouTube apps. Okay, that didn't work. I'm looking for the clear cache and clear data. Okay, clear the data. Okay, here it is. It's back to normal. There is no update button anymore. could take a while to load because of the clear data. Not unless your phone and your network is lightning fast. Here it is. It's easy, right?